Hey y'all, hey, it's Braidout Results 718. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see new videos from me. Alrighty, so I've had my braids in my hair since Thursday, and today's Sunday, so I'm about to take my braids out. Alright guys, so I had to take a little pause for the cause to loose out some more of my hair, but as you guys can see, it looks like I'm braiding it, but I'm just unbraiding the braids. So whenever I do my braid outs, it is primarily on freshly washed hair. I don't do my braid outs on soaking wet hair. I know I've probably said this before, but in case somebody is new, I don't do it on soaking wet hair. I let my hair be a little damp, and then I'll braid it. Sometimes it can take me like an hour and a half, maybe 2, depending on how small I do my braids to braid my hair, but yeah. And the length of time that I leave my hair in the braids, it just depends on my mood. So yeah. I hate to separate it the way I'm doing it right now, but when I get to the back of my hair sometimes, I have it braided in one way and then I have to twist it around the front so I can braid it, but not the end of the world. So I'm not sure how long this braid out is going to last. I do work out every day. Yeah, every day I've been working out. So hopefully I don't sweat it out too quickly, you know? But I hope it lasts me at least a week. So we'll see. But the key for me to keep the definition before I separate it is just to unbraid it instead of just pulling it out, because then that'll loosen the curl, but I just try not to do that too quickly, because you can leave your hair unbraided like this for a little while and then separate it so it's bigger. But if y'all know me, I like big hair, so.
What do we run? We run the world. Who run this motherfucker? Who are we? What we run the world.
One thing I do want to mention, when you do braid your hair, and I've said this before, do not braid the roots, your scalp. Don't braid that tightly at all, please. Save the tension, ease the tension off your scalp, and don't braid the beginning tight. Once you get to a good part where it's not like you see my roots, you can fit your thumb through it. I don't braid that part tight. But once I get down here a little bit, I braid that sucker for my life. I braid that part tight, but that's about it.
Who run this motherfucker? Who are we? What do we run? We run the world. Who run this motherfucker? Who are we? What we run the world.
Alright y'all, I'll be back in damn. Y'all see it? Look good, right? So some people, you can leave your hair like this if you like, that's cool. I, however, am going to separate it. So let me show you what I do. So first, I spray a little Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla in my hair. And this is what I'm about to do.
What do we run? We run the world. Who run this motherfucker? Who are we? What we run? We run the world.
That's it. Good to go. I like my hair to be voluminous and big and whatnot, so I always have to separate it after I do a braid out. But yeah, y'all, that's it. Hopefully, like I said, this will last me at least a week and a half, and then it's gonna start to get a little flat, but that's fine too, because I don't mind it when it starts to get old. So yeah, this is it. That's it, guys. You guys know where to find me: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, all them things. If you have any questions, leave them down below. For those of you who do braid outs, let me know, how long do you leave your braid outs in? Do you typically use any products? Let me know. Be sure to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see y'all soon. Later.